Randy Rain here, and check it out. I have another TOMY trip over traps. I've done a video on this before because I have one, but I've got this one, got it at a good price, had to do it, and I'm going to fix it up and I'm going to put it on eBay. So let's get started. So this one is mine, and you can see it works. I haven't even put batteries in this one. Not turning on, but I guess not. Since I'm right here, I'm going to first just try, and I've got it, a little alcohol. Does it take that off? Okay, good. We're not going to worry about that then. If I remember correctly, you don't have to take that one out. There is some scratches, but a lot of this is just dirt and we'll clean up. Black screw right here. And I think now you can take this one off. And that obviously comes off. Okay. And it's usually, these are a problem. But these actually look good. Yeah, those were cracked on mine. So was this one. And this one is cracked. Spring. Go ahead and take this off. So you can take crown gears that are alike and put them together like that. And I found one that will work on this, but it won't go together like that. But it still works. And I think it's this one right here. As you can see, it does not go together. It may be one tooth off, maybe, but it's the same size. And so it changes it very little. And it's got the right size bore. There. Boom. Done. And as for this other gear, mine was cracked on this one. This one seems okay. Looking under it under a magnifying glass, there's possibly some hairline cracks starting to form. And I have this one. Yeah, there is a tiny little crack starting to form. Probably would last, but I got that gear as well, so we can replace it with these. Go ahead and desolder. Alright. Yep, that's cracked. Yeah, that's starting to crack. It's going to be replaced anyway, even if it's not cracking. Alright, first one, we'll take this off. And I'll put this one on. And I'll put a brand new tin tooth here. That. This one set like that. And this one was like that. I'll take the motor apart now. It looks really, really good, actually. Hardly anything. So I've been putting this white lithium grease, and it seems to do pretty good. It doesn't take much. Put a 9-volt here. Alright, everything is cleaned up. Okay, so these go on. These get springs. There. I know this goes in here. This turns this, makes this move. That's the popping noise you hear. Goes there. This, I believe, goes there. These go on. Remember how they go, which side. That way. There it is. No. That's how that goes, like that. Now this can go on. And these use a little bit longer screws. And this should be able to go on. That seems to be matching. Okay, some of these really don't matter how they go, but I think some of them do. I think that can go like that. This one needs to go, I believe, like that. This one spins, so it doesn't matter. This one spins, it doesn't matter. That one spins too, it really doesn't matter. Now I can't remember. Was it this? And this looks like it goes this way. Yeah, that's how that goes. Okay, these should two turn. Yeah, okay, that's right. And go ahead and solder these back. Okay, I got some batteries in it. We can see what's going to happen here. Hung up on. Alright, go ahead and put this back. There's a spring that goes there. Got all this. We've got to get that spring into there, and these things have to line up. It's not right here. There. This is backwards. That's the easiest way to get them into position, is let the motor do it. So if I put this screw in here, okay, and the screw onto the back. Alright, I think we can go back together. This goes here. Move that wire out of the way. Oh, wait. You gotta put the balls in there first. And now we put the screws back. So there it is, a working TOMY trip over traps. It's on eBay right now. A little bit scratched up, but they're all like that. But you want to see this in action? Well, I can get a few of them. Let me show you. So go to eBay, throw down a bid, help the channel out, get yourself a trip over traps. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more, of course, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people right here. These are patrons. These are the people helping me out. These are the people that brought you the trip over traps and show you what's inside and how it works and how to fix it and everything. So I thank these people oh so very, very much. And if you'd like to become a patron, of course, there's links and all that stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. Go to eBay, trip over traps.